Hello, students. Welcome to today's lesson. And in this lesson, we're talking about resources. Yeah, what is the meaning of resources? Resources are useful things, both living and non living things, occurring naturally within our environment. We can see those resources all around us. What are the examples of resources? Examples of resources are soil, timber, water, iron, animals, crude oil, gold, limestone, and many more. These are examples of resources. Resources are free gifts of nature on, beneath, or above the earth's surface, which we use for our benefit. Here, they are free gift of nature provided by God. You can see them on the earth's surface, or beneath the earth's surface, or above the earth's surface, and it is used for our benefit. Okay, where can we find those resources? Let's find out. Crude oil. Crude oil, you can get that in the southern part of Nigeria. Example, River State, Bayelsa, and Delta State, where we can get crude oil. Then another resources is coal. Coal can be found in Enugu, Kogi State, Benue State. Then gold can be found in Osun State. Limestone can be found in Cross River State, Ebonyi State also, and any other state. Then zinc can be found majorly in Abakaliki, which is in Ebonyi State. Then iron ore can be gotten found in Kogi State, Plateau State, and even Nasarawa and Bauchi. We can get iron ore from those places. Then tin can be got mostly found in the northern part of Nigeria. We find tin and columbite in Plateau, in Kogi State, Kano State, and many other states in the northern region. Then timber. Yes, we get timber from Cross River, Edo State, Ondo State, Ogun State, those places we can get a lot of timber from there. All right. So, what are the usefulness of resources to man? Uses of resources to man. Let's look at the first one, timber. Timber is used for making furniture. Yes, for making furniture such as table, chairs, kitchen cabinets, beds. No, that's they are all made of wood, and wood is gotten from timber. Yeah, timber is gotten from some kinds of trees. Okay, then the next is crude oil. Crude oil, when refined, crude oil is one of the major resources in Nigeria that boosts Nigerian economy. This crude oil, when refined, it can get petroleum, kerosene, gas, diesel, and many other materials from it, which can also serve as source of power for man. Then the next is animal skin. Yes, we mentioned that animal is a resource for or is a resources that mankind can use. Animal skins are used for making leathers, such as shoes, bag, even belts. Then why some other persons can even convert animal skins to clothing to make clothes. So these are the usefulness of animal skin as a resources. Then the next is limestone. Limestone, which we can get from Cross River State, Boy State, and some other region, is used for making cement. Wow! And this cement is what we use to make blocks to build houses. So that is the usefulness of limestone. All right, the next is water. We make use of water every day. It's like water is essential, very essential to mankind. So water is used domestically. That we use water in our home for drinking, cooking, washing, and people, you even have swimming pools in your house, and it's water. Then also industries, production industries use water to produce things. Just for example, the mineral drinks are liquid. Yes, and most every other product made, or at least they use water. Then also water can also serve as a means of transportation. Yeah, we can travel by boat on water. So you say water is a very important resources to man. Then the next is sand. Sand is used in making glass. Wow, sand is used in making glass. After it has gone through so many processes. Yeah, so we get glass and then bottles from sand. Wow. Okay, so you see that resources are very important. They are free gift of nature provided by God. These resources are the wealth or raw materials that could make a country rich when used wisely. So they can make a country so rich. All right, so I believe you've learned something today. Stay tuned for our next topic.